Welcome to agiftidea.com, your end-to-end provider for all your party planning, photo sharing, and gift buying needs. Hi, my name is Dawn, and you may have seen me in Law & Order, Sex and the City, Dateline NBC, Fox and Friends, or as a winner of the 2007 Miss United States Beauty Pageant. I am very proud to let you know that we are one of the fastest growing social comparison networks in North America today. Well, what does that mean? Through our high-tech comparison platform, we can help you find the perfect gift for your loved ones, and then even allow you to search and compare multiple vendors, getting you the absolute lowest price for your gifts. We even help you with your party planning needs and allow you to upload photos and videos all in real time. Think of us as Evite, Facebook, Picasa, and Google Shopping all combined under one roof. But unlike Facebook, we distinguish ourselves in privacy as we are a premium, invitation-only network. And unlike Google, we don't bother you with advertisements or share any of your private information with other businesses. Agiftidea.com puts you in the driver's seat so you can make your decisions at your convenience. So welcome, and please enjoy your time with us.